Good morning, everyone, Mr. and Mrs. It's a pleasure to meet you all. I am Nadadara Fauzan, the manager hired there at Camel Company. I will be conducting your interview today. So please, first, Mr. Fawaz, open your camera and tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. So, my name is Muhammad Fawaz Rafikin Suroso. I am a fresh graduate majoring in Information and Public Relations from Diponegoro University. During my 4 years of college, I had an internship experience as a content writer in one of the major online media companies in Indonesia. I also participate as a committee member during the National Photography and Video Competition, where I was a logistic staff. I have a passion to work in an online media or TV company. Currently, I am very interested in gaining experience in journalism and digital marketing, like that.
Okay, so I wanna ask about what are your goals?
So my goal is to be a successful person, take responsibility for my actions and make my parents happy, in which case applying to this company is one of the steps to make that goal, sorry, to make that goal achievable.
So you're confident, right?
All
Okay,
right.
next question. What are you what is your strength?
I am have skills in my field. I can develop digital marketing content, ideas within the company as well as execute directly. And I also have some ability in handling clients as customer, which I hope sorry, I also have some ability in handling clients for customer service, which I hope my skills can be useful in this company.
Okay. So next question. What is your weakness and how do you handle your weakness?
For uh, my weakness is that is hard to socialize because I'm an introvert. So
Hmm.
sometimes it's a little difficult to have long conversation. So usually when I have a break, I take a short nap or go to a quiet place so that so that I can recharge my energy again.
Hmm. Okay, next question. What is your greatest accomplishment?
My greatest accomplishment is to get to this point. I used to be a very lazy, careless, did not want to find out. But after I graduated from high school and began to enter the world of lectures, I came to realize what I did before college was a big foolishness. So I was very worried whether I could survive or not, but I did not expect I could be here. After a few years I passed, I finally began to enter the world of work, which is a step that can achieve success.
Okay, that's a lot of hard work. So next question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In five in 5 years, I will see myself growing, making connection with good people, and of course, making my parents proud for me, for my hard work.
Okay, then the last question. Why should we hire you?
Because I am so hardworking, I was able to develop the company's digital marketing content, and I was able to prioritize my work first. I think I am a suitable to work for this company like that.
Okay. Okay, that's the last question. So We will carefully review your application and interview performance. You will receive an update regarding the next step in the hiring process. Okay, thank you, Mr. Fawas.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Mr. Raffi Indra Prayoga. Okay, Mr. Raffi, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Daryl Nanda Fauzan. Okay, my name is Aravinder Prayoga. My age is 19 years old. I am a second semester student at Diponegoro University. I have experience in the Division event, and currently I am joining the student association in my study program.
Okay, you're kind of busy guy, okay? I see. I want to ask, what is your goals?
Okay, my goals is to be a person who can benefit others and make my parents happy.
Is that it? Okay.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, the next question, what are your strength? What is your strength?
My strength is I am disciplined and sociable, which makes it easy for me to work with new people.
Okay. You're kind of social guy. Okay. See? Okay, next question. What is your weakness and how do you handle your weakness itself?
My weakness is that I like overthinking something that has happened yet. The way I overcome this is by not thinking about strange things.
Okay. Next question. What is your greatest accomplishment?
Okay, I once won the Olympic at the provincial level.
Okay. Is that it? Okay. So, next question again.
Okay, Mr.
Where do you see yourself in the 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I want to have a permanent job and well established life, and I also want to make my parents happy and help people in need.
Okay. Last question. Why should we hire you?
Uh, because I'm disciplined, I am also eager to learn new things that I have never learned before, and I easily cooperate with new colleagues.
Okay. That is the last question. So thank you, Mr. Rafi, for the taking time to this interview. And you will receive an update regarding the next step in the hiring process. Okay, thank you, Mr. Rafi.
Okay,
Next,
Darrell.
Mr. Lutfi Ali, and please tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Darrell. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Lutfi Ali, and you can call me Lutfi. And I am a fresh graduate from Diponegoro University of Information and Public Relation. I have a hobby which is coding, and during my college, I was active in several organizations and had internship in well-known companies. With the skills I have, I believe I can contribute to this company.
Okay, wow. Yeah, can coding. So, what is your goals?
For my goal is that I want to be a better programmer, and with the skill, I hope I can a lot anywhere, especially where I work. That way, my programmer skills are not in vain.
And then I want to ask about what is your strength?
According to my background, I have coding skills that will help the company to grow even bigger, so that if a problem occurs, I can solve it through the program I created.
Okay. Next question. What is your weakness and how do you handle your weakness?
For my weakness, I'm a I am a person who is easily stressed because of the coding that I do, but I can overcome it by listening to songs that I like and telling stories to my friends so that my stress can be reduced.
So, you really like coding, okay? And what is your greatest accomplishment?
Uh, I've done I create a sales application that can cover the world at my previous internship, and I've also solved a problem where it endangered a company.
Wow. Where do you see yourself in the 5 years?
In the 5 years, if I succeed in working in this company, I will create a website and create programs that can help this company grow well. I believe that the training in the company will continue to support the development of my hard and soft skill to improve my career path.
Okay, and the last question, why should we hire you?
Uh, C++ language skills are a must-have requirement for the position that I want, and I have mastered the skills. Even if faced with a job like IT, I can do well, and if I'm give the opportunity to work in this company, I will give my best for the company.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Lutfi Ali, for the interview. You will receive an update regarding the next step in the hiring process. Okay, thank you, Mr. Lutfi.
Thank you, Mr.
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to meet you all. I am Nader Dagal Fauzan, the manager hired at Camel Company. I'll be conducting your interview today. First, maybe Mr. Satrio Rafa, please open your camera and tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you for the attention, sir. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Satya Rafael Kaguritno. My age is 19 years old, and my educational background is majoring in information and public relations in Universitas Diponegoro. And my especially or skill is public speaking.
Sorry, and the next question. What is your goals?
So, my goal is to give a good contribution if later accepted in this company, and while continuing to learn to develop this company.
Okay. And next question. What is your strength?
My strengths or advantages are as I said at the beginning, sir. I am able to speak in public. I am easy to get along with others, and I am very responsible person with what I do.
Oh, so you're confident, okay?
Yes, sir.
What is your weakness and how do you handle it?
So my weakness is that sometimes I'm not careful and forgetful. So I often make notes to fix my weakness.
Hmm. Okay. And next question. What is your greatest accomplishment or achievement?
My greatest achievement is that I was part of a national scale project or even about video and photography, and the project was lively and fun.
Oh, wow. So in the project, okay, I see. Next question. Where do you see yourself in the 5 years?
So, my plans the next 5 years, if later accepted in this company, I want to be most important part in the company, in this company.
And the last question, why should we hire you?
Because I have the ability that matches this vacancies in this company. So I am a good candidate for this position.
Okay then. Okay, that's the last question. So you will receive an update regarding the next step in the hiring process. And I hope you will get accept to the company. And thank you, Mr. Satrio Rafa. And you can close your camera.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
And next, Mr. Hadrian Rafi, please open your camera and tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Darrell. First of all, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Hadrian Raffi Ariansyah. I am a fresh graduate from Diponegoro University with a degree in Information and Public Relations. I consider myself a very motivated and driven individual with a passion for continuous growth and learning. Throughout my career, I have a gained valuable experience in different industries. I adapt quickly to challenge and I have great problem-solving abilities. I believe in maintaining a positive and collaborative work ethic. I am confident in my ability to contribute to the success of a company, team, organization.
Oh, wow. So you're confident guy, I think I see. And next question, what is your goal?
I have three goals I want to achieve in my career. The first goal is to get ahead with your company and become a productive, trustworthy, and reputable employer. The second goal is to regularly undertake training courses that diversify my skills and empower me to become an expert in my area specialism. And finally, my third goal is to eventually gain promotion without your company to a higher level.
A higher level, okay, I see.
Okay.
Hmm, okay, and what is your strength? I want to know.
One of my great strengths is problem solving. I always take ownership of difficult problems to achieve a successful outcome. Other strengths include teamwork. I will fit quick into any time and collaborate closely with my CEO workers to achieve the team's objective. Other strengths include embracing change. I will support to my company in new innovations to help become the market leader. And finally, perhaps my greatest strength is time management. I can be relied up to complete all tasks and duties on time and to fair time standard.
And next question, what is your weakness and how do you handle it?
So I would say one weakness I have identified is can say no to people. My immediate response when people ask me for help or assistance is to say yes, even if I don't have the capacity for additional work. However, I am trying to be more mindful in situations like this and assess my work before competing. I am afraid of making mistakes, but I believe it is part of my progress. I trying to improve myself. I would
Wow.
I would say that I'm still learning how to be more assertive and I'm not always too best at public speaking. I am trying to be more confident in my abilities and I am working on being more concise in my communication. I am taking a public speaking class to help me overcome my first of speaking in front of large group.
Wow. What is your greatest accomplishment?
Undoubtedly completing my undergrad degree with honor stands out of my proudest achievement. This accomplishment reflects not only my commitment to academic excellence, but also my ability to manage demanding works and overcome challenges. One highlight was leading a successful group project when I demonstrate strong project management, skill, teamwork, and adaptability. Additionally, my active involvement in extrusive activities honed my ability. This experience have equipped me with a well-rounded skill set that I'm eager to apply in professional setting. Contribute positive type your organizing success.
Okay. And where do you see yourself in the 5 years?
It's hard to predict where I'll 10 years from now. We don't know fast the world is changing, but I know I wanna be in place where I can still learn new skill and continue to grow. I wanna be part of a team that challenge me, expose me to different things that celebrates the little things and the big wins. It is still hard at your company that's biggest. It love be managing a time by them and also be making more an impact. Like I said, it's hard to predict, but I'm really excited to be here today and learn more about this opportunity.
Okay. And the last question. Why should we hire you?
Uh, you should hear me because I am a great match for the job description and fast worker, meaning I will get more done than a fresh employee. All my work will be focused on giving you a great return through my salary.
Okay. That's the last question for this interview. You will receive an update regarding the next step in the hiring process. I hope you will get accept to the company and you can close the camera and leave this meet. Okay, thank you, Mr. Hadrian Rapi.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Darrell.